It goes without saying that a web design company sees and fixes web design mistakes almost daily. So here's a list of some of the most common ones that we see and how to fix them. One mistake I see all the time is that the website is too complex or busy. Sometimes a business owner wants to get their entire message out on the first page, on the home page. Well, for example, they offer 10 different services and they want to highlight each of those services at the top of the page. This is not a very practical thing for design or for SEO. So instead, create a separate landing page for each product or service that you offer instead of trying to cram it all on one page. Another common mistake I see a lot is the use of fancy script fonts. Fancy fonts might sometimes look cool on a desktop, but on a mobile device, they're an eyesore. That's where most of your customers are going too. They're looking at your website on a mobile device. Your readability score directly impacts your search engine ranking, and unfortunately, websites with a lot of script or fancy fonts get a low readability score, which could be the difference between page 1 and page 2 of a Google search. And finally, and not the least of these mistakes, is not having a call to action. A call to action is a form or a button on your website asking your potential client to take action. Having a website without a call to action is simply just wrong. Your call to action is your salesman closing the sale and asking for the business. I'll never forget what happened in my business when I started using a call to action form on my homepage. It wouldn't be a stretch to say that my business doubled overnight, but I'm not promising you the same results, but that is what happened in my experience. Overnight, my phone started ringing more. It doesn't cost anything for you to sit down and talk to us, so don't be afraid to reach out and have a conversation.